which says we should find the cosine of these angles. The question says we should find the angles whose cosine, in this case, are as follows. And I have been able to put them in a tabular form for us to make it easier for us. We shall go to the cosine table to look out for the angles whose cosine are said to be 0.110 and all of this. So we shall start with A. The cosine table, I will say, is kind of like the reciprocal of the sine table, in the sense that the cosine table begins from 1.00 to 0, unlike the sine table that begins from 0.00 to 1.00. So the bigger values are said to be given by a smaller angle. So 9910 will say to be somewhere closer to 0. So I'll trace it. 9910, this is 9940, 9920, 9910. So 9910 is said to be 7.7. This is 9910, 7.7 degrees. What about 0.7560? Also go to your table and look for 7560. 7560, we have 7559. There's no 7560, so I'll need a difference of 1 to make it 7560. So that gives me, and 1 can be found under difference 1. So the value for this is said to be 40.91. So this is 40.91 degrees. Also, we'll look out for 0.0079. That should be closer to this. 0079. So we have 0070, which is closer. So I'm going to look for a difference of 9, and difference of 9 is said to be under 5. So difference of 9 is gotten under 5. So this is said to be 89.65. 89.65 says we should look for the angle whose cosine is 0.1415. So you go to your cosine table. 1415, that is 1415, and 1415 will not be far from here. 1415, I have 1409, looking for a difference of 6, and there's no difference of 6, so I'll pick a difference of 5, and the difference of 5 is said to be under 3. So my answer now is said to be 81 under 9 difference 3. So our answer is 81.93. E, we have 0.2515. Go to your table. 2515, 2515, 2515. I have 2504. Looking for a difference of 11 to make it 2515. But there's no 11. Rather, I have 12 and 10. So I'm going to pick 10. And that is said to be under the difference 6. So my answer now will be 75.5. I'm looking at it here. That is 75.5 difference 6. So this is 75.56. 75.56. While F, we have 0.9451. That's 9451. Go back to your cosine table. 9451. That should be closer to 1. 9451. This is 9449. Difference of 2 will give me what I'm looking for, and the difference of 2 is said to be under 3. So this is said to be 19 under 1 difference 3. Our answer becomes 19.13. So 19.13. 19.13. That is, cos 19.13 is said to be 0.9351. We have 0.1111. So we look for 0.11. 0.11 should be somewhere close to 90. And we have 0.1115. But I have 1097. So I'm looking for a difference of 4 to give me 0.1111. But since I don't have a difference of 4, a difference of 3 will give me 1110, and that is accepted. So, and that can be said to be 83 under 7 difference 2. So our angle now is said to be 83.72. So 83.72 is our answer. 83.72. And for the last question on cosine, we have 0.8516. You also go to your cosine table and check out for 0.8516. 8516, 8516, 8517. I have 8508, which is closer. Looking for a difference of 8, and the difference of 8 is said to be 9. So our answer therefore becomes 31 under 7. I think this is 7. Yes. 31 under 7 difference 9. 31 under 7 gave me 8508, and with difference 8 it makes it 8516, and that is what we are asked to find. So for the last time, our answer is 31.79. 31.79. So these are said to be the angles whose cosines we were given. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to your cosine table and check out the angle where these values are under. That gives you the angle. And just like I said, if that number is not there, check out for the smallest number closer to it, and then check what difference gives you that. Then you go to the difference table and pick the number from there, and the value under which you pick that number is said to be your difference. So that makes it to be in a 4 decimal place. Kindly like our videos while you watch. Well, we recommend that you subscribe to our channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are not clear to you, and I'll be there to attend to you. We also recommend that you share the link to your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this class. You can also follow us on Facebook at My Lesson Teacher homepage, and also on TikTok with our handle My Lesson Teacher. We shall now take the tan ratio of these angles.